In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashcards in Trello. Dashcards are a handy way to keep an eye on key work right from your board, so you can quickly track progress without digging through individual cards. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. First, open your web browser and head to Trello. If you're not already signed in, log into the account that has access to the board you want to use. Once you're in, open the board where you'd like to create your dashcards. If you work in a shared workspace, make sure you have permission to add power-ups on that board. At the top of your board, look for the power-ups icon and click it. In the panel that opens, select Add Power-ups. In the search bar, type Dashcards. When you see the Dashcards power-up in the results, click it to open its details. Then choose Add to add it to your board. Give it a moment to install. After it's added, return to the Power-Ups menu if it doesn't reopen automatically. Click the Power-Ups icon again to view your installed power-ups. You'll notice dashcards may appear with the label Track on the board toolbar. Click Track to open the Dashcards panel. The first time you use it, Trello will ask you to authorize the power-up. Click Authorize with Trello, then choose Allow to grant the necessary permissions. A small window may pop up for this step. When authorization completes, close that window to return to your board. Now that Dashcards is active, click the Dashcards or Track icon at the top of your board to open it. From here, select a card you want to monitor and click Track. Trello will create a dashcard based on that selection, giving you a quick glance summary you can reference as you work. You should see it appear on your board, just like a regular card, so it's easy to find and revisit. That's all there is to it. You've opened your board, added the Dashcards power-up, authorized it, and created your first tracked item. If you don't see the power-ups icon, check that you're viewing the board in a desktop browser and that your plan and permissions allow power-ups. And remember, dashcards are there to surface what matters most. Use them to highlight priority work, milestones, or anything your team needs to keep front and center.